Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, when you are facing too many problems on your Windows operating system and the final option you have to choose, you usually think about the restarting your PC. But sometimes it's instant or fixing thing, Windows throw another error saying there was a problem to restarting your PC. So at the moment it's become extremely frustrating because now you don't know what to do next. But don't worry, in this video I am going to show you a complete guide and working method how to fix this issue so you can restart your PC without any problem. So before we are jump into the solution, let me quick explain the reason why behind this error. The most common reason is this problem with the Windows recovery or reset to itself. So first we need to fix that and restart your PC. It will work perfectly. So alright, let's start. So at the first step, you have to disable and re-enable the Windows recovery environment. So to do that, click on the Windows search and type cmd. After that, right click in the command prompt and select run as an administrator and simply click on yes. And now in the command prompt you have to simply type reagent space slash disable and press the enter now. And after that you will see a message reagent.exe operation successful. And now wait for a second, and after that you have to type again reagent space reagent space slash enable and press enter. Your Windows recovery environment will be re-enabled. And now we have to follow the second step, run the dsm command. In this command we have to repair the Windows image file. So for that you have to simply type the following command dism space slash online space slash cleanup hyphen image slash space slash restore health and press enter. So in this process may take some time. It scans your images file and fixes any corrupted or outdated system file. So please be patient and let it complete 100%. Step 3, run the SFC scan. And now you have to type the following command sfc space slash scan now and simply hit enter. And now this command scan your system integrity violation and fix the issues related to Windows tools like reset feature. And again wait until it is 100%. And after that you may see no integrity violation found or integrity violation were found a repair, both completely fine. And now you have to follow the second fourth step, reset using cloud download. So now close the command prompt and you need to download. Instead of resetting Windows from the normal recovery setting, I recommend to use cloud download option. Go to the recovery setting, click on reset this PC and choose cloud download and click restart now. So this will be take so this will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 and process with the reset. So it may take some time, but after this your reset should work without any issue. So step 5, second and final solution, we have to download the Windows 11 iOS file. To do that, if you are still getting the some error, then this is the final and guaranteed solution. Download the Windows 11 iOS file. For to do that, open any browser and in the search bar you have to search Windows 11 download. Click on the official Microsoft.com and now scroll down and download the Windows 11 DX iOS image. Select Windows 11 multi edition and click the download. So after started downloading the iOS file around 7.2 GB. So you have to wait for the finish it, and after the download the file, you have to simply install the Windows 11 in your computer. So after downloading the iOS file, you have to right click on the iOS file and click on mount. Open the mount drive. If your PC is supported, double click the setup.exe and now click on continue installation. Choose keep my file in prompted. If your PC unsupported, if setup.exe doesn't work, click on the address bar at the top and type cmd, press enter, and to check file type dir, and now run the final command setup.exe space slash product server space slash command into space slash midgrade driver all. So all the command I will be added in the description. Now you have to follow the normal installation step. So after successfully download install the Windows 11 to PC, I hope this problem will be solved. And this method it is actually better than the restarting your PC, because you are installing a fresh and updated Windows 11 iOS directly from the Microsoft, and this time you will not face any reset error at all. So that's for today, guys. I truly hope this solution helped you. If it worked, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see in the next video. Bye bye.